Awesome. GBP CHF. Wow. We took first trade over here. Had a loss of 49 pips. As you know, that GBP pairs, they want you to take all your liquidity and then move to the target. I was expecting that this support will hold, but everybody in the world was expecting it. So they have to take it out. So they took all the stops, all the liquidity, and then when we saw this pin bar, we took another trade over here. We were sure that it will not hit our stops, but and it went as per expected, moving very good. Right now we are running at 160 pips. Awesome, 160 pips. As I said, I'm expecting 500 pips from this trade, but our second TP is 313. Let's see where it goes. I'm taking off 25% of my trade size over here, and I'll take next 25% over here, and then we will see once the price is over here. We'll see the price action, and then we will decide that we want to keep it running or we want it to go. Okay, I'm not putting my final take profit level on this, because if I'm sleeping and then it hits, then the trade will be gone. I mean, the next wherever it goes, it's gone. So I don't want to lose those pips also. This is not small trade, but I don't want to lose those because I'm sure it will at least hit 500 pips. So what I do is I put on alarms. See this? If you use TradingView, you can put on alarms. Very good it is. You can use this on MT4 also, MT5 also. There are alarms you can put it on. Those alarms on MT4, MT5, they will not trigger if you're sleeping, if the system is off. But on this, on TradingView, if you're sleeping, even you will get an email of the alarm, so you can check that. Sometimes you're sleeping, you cannot check the email also. Any case, I'll be taking the next 25% over here, and we'll see if the price is moving good. We will keep the 50% trade, and we will target. Let's see where we will target. Yeah, I think we have to target. We have to target these areas, guys. These areas. So this will give us approximately 500 pips. Let's see where it goes. GBP CHF is going right now very good. Next, we took GBP USD. Wow, awesome GBP USD. It did more. It did double than our TP. As I told you in GBP CHF that we have to trail the price. I tried to trail this one, but what happened over here, that this pin bar, it took me down. It took me out of the out of the trade. It came back, and I thought it's going to go down, and my stop loss was somewhere over here. Looking at this level, this was my stop loss, and it hit immediately that, and immediately it bounced from this level. And look at it, guys, awesome. But good, we did good. We hit our target. It was good. The risk and reward was 2.63. We achieved all of it, and it was good. The another trade we took, Euro USD, it was awesome. I was successfully trailing it again, and but this red candle, if you see here, this took me out. This was my stop, and looking at this open, I was keeping my stops over here. It unfortunately it hit the same level, and then it bounced back. Still no problem. We were in profits. The trade we missed today was this lovely, lovely trade. Yeah, this is daily candles. I was expecting this channel to break down. At the same time, I was expecting the level of the golden pocket to be a resistance, and it was a resistance. And the price came back from this level. It was going up. It closed over there in the 4 hour, and it was a fake candle. It was a fake breakout. And when once it came down inside this channel, you see this over here, it came out, closed over here, but it came down immediately in the next candle on 4 hour and closed in the channel. I was sure that we're gonna break down now, but when I saw this, the price was here because I went to lunch and the price was here. So it was a good trade. It was a really, really good trade. No problem, no problem. We had a little loss on USD CAD. That was the only trade went in loss. No problem. There was another trade, gold. Yeah, as I told you in the previous video, I'm going to take some at 1931. I took 25% on 1990, the next 25% on 1930, and now my trade is running. My stop loss is 1914. I usually don't do that. What I do is I keep my stop loss over here. Whatever it happens, wherever it goes, I keep my stop loss on break even, not on any target levels. But the gold, it's so the volatility is so high that it can do anything. So it can drop down to this level, hit it, and then go back up. So I don't want to lose these pips also. What I did is I kept my stop loss at below this level. You know, I kept it over here somewhere. Yeah, 1912. That's my stop loss. So I'm targeting 1940. If my This one, I've kept my TP on 1939, and that's a TP, not an alarm. So if we hit that level, we're going to be taking out uh, all what we have placed in this on gold. And if it retraces, we will see the price action. Looking at the price action, we will see. I think it will go and hit this channel, the upper band of the channel in 1950s. But still, we have to look at the price action. We will not be taking any risk on this. All right, guys. If you need to ask anything, if you got a question, you can comment on the posters. You can comment on the videos. You can DM me. Uh, we'll be there to answer any of your question or anything. If you want us to manage your account, we provide that service also, and you can see over RR, over risk and reward ratio. The intention is to keep the keep the equity safe. Our maximum drawdown will never go below 30%. 70% is for sure. That's locked in for you all the time. The minimum account you offer us should be more than $1,000 or equivalent to that. Below $1,000, it's not giving us much room to play. So we don't take any account below $1,000 because the results will not be fascinating, and you will not be so happy. I mean, it's not going to go negative, but I mean, 10%, 12% a month. That's what we expect from whatever we trade. So 10, 12% on $1,000 is $100. So that's not a big amount. That's a good one. That's not a small also. So that's why the minimum account is $1,000. The maximum can be anything. Greedy. All right, guys. On this thing, we'll sign off, and good luck on the trades. Good luck on GBP CHF. Good luck on gold. We'll see the market tomorrow. If there is any setup, we will be posting that. But what are we today? Okay, I don't see any setup tomorrow. And next week, I think, is the elections. So I want to stay safe in the elections. We will not be trading much in the election days. Because the volatility will be very high, and we want to stay away when this is volatile.